Hello everybody, it's John the Don and I'm bringing you another sneaker unboxing. I just got these about 2 days ago, so yeah, it's been a while. I've been doing good, been focusing a lot on fitness. I've been working hard, I got a new job now, so just having my main focus in my personal life to then, give my social media life more time whenever I'm actually situated. But yeah, I've been working a lot lately, and that's why I haven't been around. Anyways, on to the shoes, and as you can tell by the title, it's a Jordan 1s, and I really like this box, the whole black and gold. This is my personal size 9.5, as you can see. And these shoes retailed for $180 plus tax, so it was roughly almost $200. Normal as the Jordan 1s. These are like the Mocha 2.0s, if you must say. Only thing is, you're not paying $400 to $500, maybe even $600 depending on your size for these. These still range around, like, if you're gonna order from StockX or Goat, you're probably gonna pay after fees and taxes probably like between $220 to $240, so just a little bit over retail. But overall, the shoe isn't bad. Quality is like your normal Jordan 1, nothing like the leather being premium or nothing like that. The leather's still pretty stiff, but it's a very clean shoe, especially since we're in the fall season, going towards the winter. I really like this little gold accent or yellow accent, however you want to see it. Very clean. Same as the insoles. Insoles matches the little tongue flap. But yeah, this suede or nubuck, very smooth. Got the little wing. If you didn't cop these, man, just do so. Very clean shoe, very easy to match. And for you resellers, I feel like this shoe will jump up in the next 3 to 6 months. So don't sleep on these. If you have the funds, go ahead and buy them. I'm gonna show you the other pair. This is the one that brings the extra laces, if I'm not mistaken. No, they actually don't. They don't bring extra laces. That's very strange. Okay, so I guess these don't bring extra laces. I did see a video with somebody else, and they were doing an on foot video, and they had the white laces, but I forgot that, we're so used to Nike and Jordan, bringing extra laces on Jordan 1s that, I slipped up. But that person that did that video, they had said they bought those laces, because even though on my camera quality, like, the midsole looks white, it's not like a white. It's like, it has a little bit of that yellowish tone, kind of like a more cream, like on the creamier side. So he bought those laces to combine with that midsole. Really made the shoe pop. But let me know in the comments, what do you think? Like, I personally like them. That's why I was able to hit, luckily, on Nike sneakers, which, we never freaking hit on that, but I was able to hit on them. And yeah, dude, I'll be wearing these things in the upcoming months. Be sure to cop. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. It was a pleasure. See you on the next one.